If the granting clause is the engine of the deed, the legal description is the map. Just like a map, if it's wrong, you don't end up where you think you're going. What is a legal description? A legal description is the portion of the deed that precisely identifies the real property being conveyed. It describes the land in a way that is legally recognizable and locatable. This is where mistakes happen. A legal description is not a street address, an assessor's parcel number, a Zillow description, or a tax bill summary. Those items are helpful for reference, but they do not legally describe the property being conveyed. Common types of legal descriptions. You will typically see one of the following: lot and block descriptions, which might look like Lot 12, Block 3 of Sunny Acres subdivision. Meets and bounds descriptions, using bearings and distances. Condominium or unit descriptions, referencing unit numbers and common elements. Each has a precise format and must be copied exactly. As a document preparer, you should never create a legal description. You obtain it from the last recorded deed, a title report, a recorded subdivision map, or an attorney-provided document. The safest source is the most recently recorded deed. Why you never rewrite a legal description. You do not retype the legal description. Even small changes can alter boundaries, create ambiguity, break the chain of title, or get you a letter from the county assessor's office telling you that the deed is rejected because the legal description doesn't perfectly match the last deed. If it looks odd, long, or repetitive, that's okay. That's normal. Many deeds attach the legal description as Exhibit A. Best practices for this are to clearly label the exhibit, reference it explicitly in the body of the deed, and ensure the exhibit is recorded with the deed. A missing or unattached exhibit can invalidate the transfer. Common legal description errors. These are red flags. Legal description doesn't match the prior deed. Exhibit referenced but not attached. Or partial descriptions that omit key language. These are not cosmetic issues. These are fatal errors. Copy legal descriptions verbatim. Verify consistency with prior deeds, and flag discrepancies. You may not interpret legal descriptions, correct surveying errors, or decide which description is right. If there is a discrepancy, the correct response is to pause and refer to an attorney. The legal description is not a place for creativity, cleanup, or shortcuts. Copy it exactly, attach it properly, and record it with the deed. In the next section, we'll talk about consideration, why deeds often say for $10, and why that language still matters. Let's keep going.
This video is provided for general educational purposes only. It is not legal advice, and it does not take the place of advice from a qualified attorney. Laws and requirements vary by jurisdiction and by individual circumstances, and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with Nevada Counsel. If you need guidance about your specific situation, you should consult a licensed attorney in your jurisdiction. Thanks for learning with us.